Hello, dear friends. Brisky here. Let us gather ideas to overcome stress, especially when it arises out of interactions with others. It is Christmas time and Santa's going to pay a visit to his favorite people on earth, children.
Oh, there's little Zack. Let's see what he's up to.
Zack, what are you doing here? Can I play too? Are you serious? You can't play with us. You are too slow.
I'm not slow. You are. And you are too small too.
Teeny weeny Zack, teeny weeny Zack. He'll take half an hour to run around the field.
Zack is upset. He's taking out his anger on the furniture.
Do you think what Zack is doing is right? If you were angry and upset, what would you do?
Looks like it's a group study session at Zack's friend John's house.
There he comes again. Zack, what are you doing here? Didn't we tell you you're not part of the study group anymore? We don't want slow coaches.
Yeah, you don't even know your 3 times tables.
Zack is very upset.
Zack, what's wrong?
Nothing. Leave me alone.
If something was bothering you, would you talk to an adult about it, or would you keep it to yourself?
Zack, will you play with me?
No, I won't play your stupid game. Leave me alone. I need to help him deal with his problem.
Santa?
Hello, Zack. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Santa. I'm so happy to see you.
I've been watching you, Zack. You've been upset and a bit rude to your family.
I know, Santa. I've been upset. My friends keep teasing me and bullying me. I'm scared to go to school. I don't want to face anyone.
Why didn't you tell your mother?
She won't understand. She'll tell me not to talk to them or something. Can you help me?
That's why I'm here. This is a magic candy cane. Just keep it with you and it will give you courage to face the children who bully you.
Thanks, Santa.
Hi, teeny weeny Zack.
Stop calling me that.
What did you say?
Stop calling me teeny weeny Zack. It's not funny and I hate it.
I'm sorry, Zack. I was just trying to be funny. I didn't know it upset you so much.
The candy cane really works. I stood up to that bully.
Hey, slow coach!
I am not a slow coach. Stop calling me that. I missed a few classes when I was sick and I need to catch up. It's really mean and rude to call someone a slow coach.
Okay, calm down, Zack. I was just making a joke.
It's not a joke if it hurts someone.
With the help of the courage-giving candy cane, Zack faced all his bullies. He told them how rude they were being and they all realized how wrong they had been.
Mother, Maya, I'm so sorry. I've been so rude to you both. I promise to change from now on. Santa, thank you so much for the magical candy cane. It helped me deal with all my problems.
Oh, Zack, there was no magic in that cane. The courage came from within you.
What? Really?
Yes, you see, whenever there is a problem, you need to face it and not run from it. Instead of being angry at other people and things, you should stand up to the people who upset you. If that doesn't work, you should talk to an adult about it. Your parents or your teacher, anyone you trust. The one thing you must not do is keep it all inside you. That's not good for you.
You're right, Santa. Now I know how to deal with bullying.
All is well again.
Have you ever been bullied by anyone? If yes, how did it make you feel? And how did you deal with it? Think about the next question and try to be honest. Have you ever bullied anyone in any way, like calling names, pushing someone smaller than you, or snatching a toy away from someone? If you have done any of these things, do you think that is right? Why? Why not? Just as it is wrong to bully someone, it is also wrong to stay quiet when you are being bullied. The right thing to do is to deal with the problem, either by facing the bully or by talking to an adult about it.